So what happened, we checked online before, and you have to use one of these machines to get boarding pass and sticker for your, like, you know, tag for your plane, which is right here. I'm not showing you the whole thing. And then you put it on your, like, you know, attach it to your luggage, and then we have our boarding pass for both trip, from Toronto to Japan to Bangkok. And then we're just going to go there and drop the luggage off. Basically that's it. Very simple and easy, convenient process. Anyone can do it. So that's the advantage of like, you know, checking online. But let's say if you hadn't checked online, then here you have to go through the regular counter, which is going to be, like, you know, a lot of people. But usually it's not that many people yet, because we came too early. But if you come, like, you know, a little bit later, then it's going to be full of people, and you have to struggle through line and the waiting. But we are done, so we're just going to drop this off, and that's it. So backdrop, let's remove electronics and lithium-ion batteries. Place your bag on belt and wheels up. Okay, so
we have to push a little bit.
I think
so
once you put it, it's going to start moving.
Yeah,
so you can see that stationary right now, it's not moving. So we're just going to, like, put it like this
and push a little bit.
Put it like this, and then I don't see it's moving. Maybe it's not working. Oh, okay. Actually,
Why?
so okay, I think push it a little bit. Okay, that's it. Let it go. Yeah.
Okay, now it's moving.
Okay, so
Bye.
now the luggage is gone.
Oh, it's stuck there.
Oh my god, it got stuck.
There you go.
Whoa,
See you in Tokyo.
that's incredible. That is
Okay, let's
incredible. Okay, so now it's all self-service. So we finished everything. So guys, we're going to gate E78, and which way?
We just have to get out of here and go
Okay.
to the other gate.
So, you know, I'm amazed how easy was it, the self-service.
And it's good that, you know, we don't carry too much luggage here.
Yeah.